Welcome to Quizzy Vibes channel, and today's video, you will have to guess mem voice. You will have 19 questions and 7 seconds to each answer. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Round 1. Which meme is this? Correct. This is Cat Smurf. Round 2. Whose voice is this? That's great. It's Sigma. Bonus round. Which meme is better? What are you doing here?
I drive.
Dans mon esprit tout divague, je me perds dans tes yeux, je me noie dans la vague de ton...
Write in the comments. Round 3. Guess which meme is this? What are you doing here?
I drive.
You're awesome. It's Ryan Gosling. What are you doing here?
I drive.
Round 4. Can you guess who is this?
This is Elon Musk.
Well done. It's Elon Musk.
This is Elon Musk.
Round 5. Which meme is this? Correct. And this is Toca Toca Dance. Bonus round. Which meme is better?
There's a brand new 1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4, buckle some more.
Write in the comments. Round 6. Whose voice is this? Yes, it's Crab Rave. Round 7. Guess which meme is this?
Cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita,
You are right. This is Cosita Dance.
cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita,
Round 8. Can you guess who is this? Yeah, it's Cat's Dance. Bonus round. Which meme is better?
Cholera, czy to Freddy Fazbear? Oh, 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 oh.
Write in the comments. Round 9. Who owns this voice?
Got another shorty, she ain't nothing like me, yeah.
About to catch another fight.
This is Bullet Train Meme.
Got another shorty, she ain't nothing like me. Yeah.
About to catch another flight.
Round 10. Can you recognize this voice?
Czy to Freddy Fazbear? Oh, 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 oh.
Oh yes, this is Freddy Fazbear.
Cholera. Czy to Freddy Fazbear? Oh, 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 oh.
Bonus round. Which meme is better? Write in the comments. Round 11. Which meme is this? You are right. This is Drummer Cat. Round 12. Which character is singing? Good job. It's Let Me Do It For You. Bonus round. Which meme is better?
Got another shorty, she ain't nothing like me. Yeah.
About to catch another flight. Apple bottom.
Write in the comments. Round 13.
The brand new
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4.
Nice. It's 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
new
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some.
Round 14. Can you recognize this voice?
Mon esprit tout divague, je me perds dans tes yeux, je me noie dans la vague.
You are genius. This is Sad Napoleon.
Mon esprit tout divague, je me perds dans tes yeux, je me noie dans la vague.
Thanks for watching. How many questions did you answer correctly? Write in the comments. See you later.